We'll now proceed to opening statements.
The long-awaited legal showdown in the Murdaugh murder trial.
Pow, pow. 2 shots, abdomen and the leg, and took her down.
Arguing 2 very different versions of the same story.
He didn't do it. He didn't kill Butcher, his son and wife.
Dramatic descriptions of his family's deaths at point bringing Murdaugh to tears. Opening statements given to a jury of 8 women and 4 men who will spend the next several weeks following the evidence.
They were shot at close range and they did not have defensive wounds.
Prosecutors say forensics will prove Murdaugh's guilt after a perfect storm of circumstances came to a head. The state contends Maggie was killed with a weapon owned by the family that was never recovered, and that a cell phone video captured at the murder scene just before the time of deaths puts Alec at the scene, contradicting his alibi that he only reached there when he discovered the bodies.
And he was there just minutes before, with Maggie and Paul, just minutes before their cell phones go silent forever and ever.
But the defense argues there's no forensic evidence to tie Murdaugh to the murders. No fingerprints, eyewitnesses, murder weapons, and despite the gruesome scene, no blood on Alec when police arrive.
You would be covered in blood from head to foot.
The defense argues a video taken earlier in the evening shows Paul and Alec enjoying time together, and that police pinned Alec as a suspect before investigating, even suggesting the crime may have been the work of 2 people because 2 different weapons were used.
They have pounded that square peg in the round hole, and you're going to hear about it. They've ignored some witnesses.
Catie, it appeared to be a difficult day in court. Is there any indication that the rest of Alex Murdaugh's family is still supporting him?
Well, Lester, for the first time today, we saw several members of the Murdaugh family in the courtroom, including his son, Buster. When court adjourned, Murdaugh turned to his son and mouthed the words, "Are you okay?" His son replied yes.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.